guys, Adam here. Welcome back to my Minecraft video. Today we are going to be doing the first episode of FTB Monster. So we're going to get started, and since it's not like the first episode of like me just starting out. I've already done lots of things. So for the first episode, I'm just going to give you a tour of the whole base because it's how you do it. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna start showing you the front. So we stand for workshop, and so welcome to the workshop. And if we go in here, we have some stuff like we have some Thermcraft items. We have this little circuit that does these buttons that turn on the force field and kill mobs. So we have an AE system. You can autocraft some things. We have some thermal expansion machines, a tesseract for the quarry, a smeltery, an infernal furnace from Thermcraft, an XP shower, and an XP drain. So if you want to get XP fast, you just click the lever. We have some sync mod stuff. We have some Mistcraft ages. We have upstairs. We have a reactor. We have a reactor on right now. We have a tree farm. We have some industrial craft generation of power, and we have a lawn recharging station thing. And then on the next floor we have, we're gonna have some stuff here. Here we're gonna have a lot of stuff, but nothing's there right now. And what else do we have? So down here on the underneath basement, we have some advanced genetic stuff that I've been doing. We have an ethanol production system. We have a bunch of different machines here. This looks like a person, but it's actually not. This is my power suit armor, which doesn't have anything yet, but I'm going to add some stuff to it. We have some industrial craft machines. We have some different, regular, rolling machines from, what's it called? Railcraft. And we have some stuff from forestry, and a new furnace, and some more forestry stuff, and some stuff from dentistry. So then 2 floors down, we have Thermcraft room, which looks pretty cool because it looks like it's up in the air. It's actually not, because it has some inverted sky blocks. And we have an infusion altar and some jars, a golem who filters out the stuff, an alchemical furnace, research table, crucible, all basic things. I have my suit, thaumaturge stuff. And then this is a mirror connected to the fire, which goes up here and powers the infernal furnace. What else? That's about it. So that's inside the base. Let's give it to outside of the base. Outside we have some ender lilies, we have a gigantic force field that's super cool. And then we have Garrett's tiny little force field that just goes around his tiny little bit. See it. And he has some stuff in there. His house is pretty cramped with stuff. And then what else do we have? Anything else? We have the nether, it doesn't have too much. We have some quarry holes that I need to fill. Maybe not that one, but I probably will be able to fill the other ones. I used to do my quarrying here because, I don't know, I didn't do Mistcraft, but now I'm doing Mistcraft, so I can do some, I have a quarry wheel now, and I'm using an ender quarry, because ender quarries rock, and yeah. What else? We have a little sheep farm here. We have an underneath automatic ore processing system. So ores come out from this ME interface to go down under here, go into the pulverizer, then they're pulverized, go into the redstone furnace, then coming out and going back up and going into another ME interface, which goes back into the system, and everybody's happy. Maybe you're not happy, but at least the walruses are. No, really, those are walruses. Like, I'm telling you, they're really walruses. They are the walruses. Yeah, I know. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna add here. Probably just gonna add like more machines. Maybe not machines though. I'm probably gonna add like, I think what would be cool though is if I had like a glass wall here, and this was like a room that was like all for like bee breeding, and we had like tons of apiaries and stuff, because you can do some cool things with bees. Like, you could have diamond bees and cobalt bees and like manual bees, or however you pronounce that word. I don't know how to pronounce it, but so I tripped up on the internet. So that's about it. We have a recharging station. I think I already said that. You know, we have this cool screen that I programmed myself. It says like the time, says if reactor and force field are on or off. We have the latest news, and this is the program. I'm gonna show you it. No, let's see, edit this. Yeah, so here's the workshop. Here's my script for it. Maybe you didn't see it very well, but that's okay. Because I just wanted to show you how long it was, because I'm proud of it. I mean, it's not that long, but like, you know, for my like actual real computer craft script is pretty good. And then there's this random cobblestone tower that really does nothing, which I would like to destroy, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna do it because it's just so lame. But yeah, so that's gonna be about it for the tour. Be coming on by the time we end the recording, and so I think I'm just going to be doing what I need to be doing for like 13 minutes on the FTB server. So I'm just gonna go through and do what I've been doing recently on the server. Oh, I accidentally, let's see, boots of the traveler. There we go. Okay. So sorry if I'm a little quiet later. I'm probably gonna be quieter because I'm gonna be working on stuff. So I want to do some parachute stuff because parachutes are cool, and I already have parachute, so I just need to like, because Garrett's got all into parachutes, and it's pretty awesome. So, and it has a super cool model. So, this little thing is kind of weird though. And so, sorry, I had to check something. So I think what we're gonna do is we're going to look into this guy here, and I want to see what I should add to my power suit. So I wanted to do my jet boots and my jetpack. So I need to make 6 ion thrusters. So let's search up power suit. Okay, so we need ion thrusters. Let's see, where are they here? Okay, so we need 6 of them. That means we need 12 force field emitters, which means we have to get 48 ender pearls. I don't think we're gonna be able to do that. Let's see how many ender pearls. Yeah, we only have 16. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So I think I might just have to make like yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now. Right now I am going to, let me see, what should I do? I'm thinking, what should I do? Is there anything else I can do in the base? But yeah, I'll show you the sync thing. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so here's my other guy. Let me go back. Yeah, so it's pretty early in the morning here. Just kidding. In real life it's not, but here it is. Yeah, so see those mobs, if you look on to here, I'm gonna click the button. Gone. Yeah. It's pretty cool. So the way this induction smelter works is because it has 2 places to input items. So what I have here is I have this thing to make hardened glass. It puts 1 lead and 8 pulverized obsidian into this chest, and that gets pulled out. And then the pulverized obsidian goes in here, which then goes into this slot, I think. Maybe? I don't think I can see it. But yeah, it's something like that. Or it goes into the green one, and then the lead goes up in here, and that makes the thing, and then it comes out here, and then it gets inputted here, and it goes back into the system. So, let's see. So, what else do I have to show? Yeah, I don't know. I kind of made the base look a little cooler with the chisel. This one's a little weird, but I like the other ones. Especially I like this one. It looks pretty nice. And here, I'm gonna run through the program really fast on how I did this. So I'm gonna edit display. So pretty much what I did is I say local monitor, so it finds. Oh yeah, wait. Before I say this, if you are not into code, you don't need to watch this part of the video. You can leave now. But I'm gonna show this code, and then I'm probably gonna end the episode. So, yeah. Unless there's an annotation on the screen right now to skip to a different part, then do that. But if I don't, then you can leave the video now if you're not into code. So, so I say local monitor, peripheral.wrap back. So now it's gonna look for the back of the computer, which is here. It's gonna look for a monitor, and it found a monitor. So it's gonna use that monitor, and it's gonna call it monitor. So it's gonna do this function. I'm gonna make this. Also has news. So news equals we hope everyone at news 2 the workshop. So this is line 1. This is line 2 for the news. N equals 1 is a variable that I'm using for a loop, which I'll show you in a second. This is a function called write color. What it pretty much does is it simplifies the way, instead of needing to keep changing the color and then displaying the text, you can just say your variable, and then you say your color, and then you say the text. So it's pretty easy to use. This is just saying if var.isColor, then var.set color, the color that's said here, and then write the text. And then this is what I had. So monitor.clear, so that clears the text. Monitor.set text scale, so that sets the text scale to 1. It sets the cursor position to 1,9, so that's about right there. And then it, no, it's not right there. What am I talking about? Okay, so no, it's 1,9. So it's down here. So that says latest news in yellow, and then writes the color of the news. So here it says we hope everyone at, and then it says on, and then it goes to 1,9 instead of going to 1,9, it goes to 1,10, and then it writes news 2 on line 10. And then it sets the text scale to 2, goes back to 11.1, which is like there, about there, where workshop stats starts. And then it says workshop status in yellow. It sets cursor position to 1-5. Sets text scale to 1. Sets the cursor position. Yeah, that's messed up. I don't even know if I need that. And then it sets text scale to 2. And then it says reactor and force field. And then here what it does is well true do, which means it repeats over and over again. It says local RI and left front. So local FI equals RS dot get input front, and local time equals OS dot get time. Local F time is text utils dot format time false. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna take this time, which is in like numbers, so it's like 3.499 or something, and then it takes that time and it turns into like a formatted time, like 3:59 p.m. or something like that. And then what it does is it prints the time and it prints the F time on the screen because it's for debugging stuff that I just like to see. And then that's where you see all the numbers. Whatever, it doesn't matter. And then it prints time, prints F time just on the screen here. And then it writes color, it writes the time, and then it writes monitor.write. It clears the area where it shows the time, because what happens is if the time is like 10:59 and then it switches over to like 3:50 something, then it will be like AMM. So I have to clear the text, which just helps. And then it writes the F time, writes the formatted time. And then I had this little thing here that's a little complicated. This was what took me a little while to do. So if time is greater than 12 and if time is less than or equal to 16, then it sets the cursor position to 1-7, and then it prints it says lunchtime. That's weird. Well, this is for something different. This is for a different thing. Well, so what it's doing is it's from here to there. Yeah, here to here is like what it's doing. This is for the little ding dong thing that happens at 12 o'clock. And then n equals n plus 1. So each time this goes through, it adds 1 to n. And what happens is if n is greater than 1 and n is less than 30, so a very short amount of time, it's going to set an output on the top, which is going to activate node blocks and say stuff. And then what's going to happen is it's going to write a thing that says good afternoon, and then if the time is greater than or equal to 3, or time is greater or smaller than or equal to 12, then monitor set cursor position to 1-7 again, and it will just like override the text. So it's like good morning, and then it's pretty much just this else, and then say good night. So if RI equals true, what's this doing? Yeah, RI. So what RI does is it tests. Yeah, RI get input left. So it tests for if when the reactor is on, it sends a redstone signal that goes to the computer, and so if it's on, then it writes on, and if it's not, then it says off. And then for the force field, same thing, but just a different variable. And then it just, if it's n equals 30, then it turns off the redstone signal up here. And it sleeps, and then it repeats all over again. So that's the program. The program for the reactor I did not write. It's on turtlescripts.com. So yeah, it said lunchtime for a period of time and stuff. That's what that thing is. So that's gonna be about it for now. So guys, my name is Adam. Click the video, remember to like and comment and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.